My name is Matthew Moore, and I've been flipping since 2012. I teach high school mathematics as well as mathematics at the local community college in Decatur, Illinois. I think the biggest thing with bringing technology into the classroom is understanding that the technology teaches no one. It's good teaching that must exist first. The technology is just a means to an end. And by using some of these key pieces of technology, we can speed up part of the process, we can automate part of the process, but in all key pieces, it still is that relationship between teacher and student that must be good and solid that the tech just enhances. What's really great about moving in the technology is you would think that it might in some way put space between you and the student, but what it really does is it puts you more on a level footing with the student, because instead of me worrying about standing and controlling the classroom from the front with a marker, or in terms of a lecture where students will engage or disengage based on length or interest, now we can keep interest engaged with the technology. We can also keep the relationship can be built one-on-one, because now instead of sitting face-to-face, we're sitting side-by-side. And by sitting side-by-side looking at the same technology, you get more of a personal relationship, and that relationship can last past the high school years. And I will still get emails from students, or I'll get hit up on Facebook or on Twitter, etc., and say, hey, so glad we did this, because either the college that I'm at requires me to know how to do this, or I've really kind of taken the idea and moved it into my workplace where I'm doing continued training. And so being able to do the tech, but also being able to work with people one-on-one or in small groups is key to the process.